Okay, it made it back with the bumper on. I've been kicking around this off camera for a while, but it's gonna go. These are how you use these, right? Come on now. Yep. Okay. There we go. It finally fell off, folks. It's fixed until it goes flat again. This is another look at the same thing saw in the Sunday video there. It's gone. It was a good run. But now I got to get this thing out of here. And all roads lead through mud holes. So, yeah. I'm just going to strap you on the front of the Mercury here, take off, and see what happens. Probably get stuck. It's another day. Let's get to work. You ready, Charlie? So, how many bashes before you push the bumper into the radiator? That is touching the radiator. Very good. That's how close I got. But still fully antifreeze, even the overflow. Didn't lose a drop. That's what I call winning. Alright, well, battery died on my camera, so I don't know where I left off, but basically, front end's bashed in pretty good. Just gonna point this out. Boop. Good thing we drilled and tapped that. Put a new bolt in it. You know, because the factory side didn't hold. That's alright, it's got the radiator hose. It ain't going anywhere. But we need to pull that out a little bit. So, gotta use that Explorer for something, right? Alright, so we have liberated this thing from its bumper. That worked out. Actually rolled the core support right back into place. Look at that. Look at that. Just like new. Hopefully this hood still comes open. Or I'll just have to hit it again with a hammer. I don't know. Alright, see if this hood will open. Oh, like new, guys. Like new. They even almost rolled that back into place. That's amazing. Yep, and we fixed that just like that. You guys just saw it. It's fixed. I mean, I guess this is fine. I don't really need a bumper. Got to be more careful with this front end. No more bashing into the old Mercury once you get stuck. No, no. But, you know, could always turn this thing around and bash it from the rear. You know, come to think of it, probably a better idea anyways. There's no radiator back here to damage. So maybe I'll start doing that instead. Speaking of bumpers falling off, yep, it finally went. And we've been using this cross member here. And it's gonna go soon, sometime soon also. It's all in bad shape, this thing. And really, aside from the tire going flat, this thing did exactly what it's supposed to do. Barely anything. It was pretty good. It's a lot of fun. I think we'll get a couple zip ties for those. Other than that, I mean, near perfect. Near perfect. Alright, I've spent several hours buffing and sanding all this out. Custom body work is done. Just finishing up a few things here. Flip it that. Do that. Get a good look at that. It's perfect. Not a whole lot much to do. Really, you know, Explorer came out, get you tilted up here a little better, unscathed. You know, more of a tow truck than anything. Yeah, that was the worst damage of the last video. Pretty good, I'll take it. How much oil this thing has in it? Enough. Heck, that's plenty. Well, it's a couple days later. After I pulled the bumper off the old Honda, I figured I had to do something about that. I'm gonna wreck a radiator right quick. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Did this hillbilly just use a cheap Harbor Freight ratchet and a board and ratchet strapped himself up a bumper? Guys, no. I used two of them. Let's go four-wheeling. So, it's raining. I'm going four-wheeling in the next video on Sunday. Hopefully, if I know how to use a calendar right. Last week I messed it up and put it on Saturday. But whatever, I'll figure the calendar out. Don't worry about it. You've seen that custom bumper I made. I'll figure it out. Anyways, if you liked the video, please leave a like. Comment if you want. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.